I will say the context. Okay, फिल्मी नाम है ये. so so I'll talk about mm, then I'll talk about these two things. Then we'll move towards a relation in 21st century. Okay. In this, first we'll talk about importance. Chinese perspective. Then I'll jump to Indian perspective. इसे पूरा समझ में आ जाएगा आपको. ठीक है. फाइन. देन क्या हो सकता है. मैं अब इसको आई विल कैटेगराइज इट एज इश्यूज भी लिख देता हूँ. फाइन. इश्यूज में जैसे कि बॉर्डर, रिलेटेड इशू, ब्रह्मपुत्रा, देन डायरेक्ट इशू ये है. और क्या हो सकता है. ट्रेड भी है एक. पास्ट और रीसेंट. ट्रेड. देन यू हैव स्विंग ऑफ बॉल्स. देन यू हैव नेबरहुड में इशू के कारण है. एंड PRI. ठीक है. It will cover everything, every single thing that is possibly needed for us to understand the dynamics of the relationship between India and China in 21st century can be captured within these heads. ठीक है. इसमें हर चीज समझ में आ जाएगा. We'll start from here, geography and culture. All right. We'll start from geography and culture. चलिए. Let's talk about geography and culture. Try and understand the relationship. Okay. So you have Himalayas. This is your Tibet. This is your China. Fine. And we have our India here. Okay. Then I'll construct some. Okay, these are passes. Fine. Chalo. देखो, physical boundary matters a lot. Himalayas are very special mountains. Fine. The loftiest one. So the interaction between India and not Himalaya, sorry, China is restricted by this natural geographical boundaries. And these are not ordinary boundaries. These are extraordinary boundaries. Fine. So I would say that there is no special historical sense में special relation between India and China. Cultural, I will say. Okay, cultural relation between India and China means the exchange was restricted. Okay. Exchange was restricted. So now the manifestation of this exchange is what? What it manifests into? It manifests into lack of understanding of each other's culture. Hence, saw others with suspicion. हम लोग में कभी बॉन्डिंग था ही नहीं, है ही नहीं, होगा भी नहीं. समझ लीजिए. Okay. All right. We do not have this. When you do not have this, then of course our cultural understanding, their cultural understanding varies a lot. There is no similarities. There are rather differences, cultural differences already there. Okay. Nevertheless, exchange bhi pehle historically as well, there was no exchange. Okay. If there is any exchange, it was broadly through this passes. And relationship was, matlab yahan pe, some exchange. But remember, the relationship or the exchange was between India and Tibet. This is not China. Remember it. India and Tibet. It is not China. Tibet is not China. Remember it. Or this relationship is broadly of what? Your Buddhism. तिब्बत में क्या है? बुद्धिज्म है. ठीक है. तो बुद्धिज्म इन्फ्लुएंस. तो वहां पे कौन? एक बौद्धि धर्म went to China to spread the message of Buddhism. So if we understand someone beyond Himalayas, it is Tibet, not China. You pass Tibet. Tibet is how much? More than 4,000 meters high plateau, a platform. Okay. So our relationship is broadly with Tibet. Okay. Or even in the western side, it is with not mainland China as such. It was Ladakh or the extended version of Ladakh. All right. Nothing more. So culturally, we do not understand them. Though India is an ancient civilization, China is an ancient civilization, they had deep historical roots. Nevertheless, the exchange was very less. Okay. Even our trade was maximum centered towards Middle East, the present day Middle East, Africa, Arabia, or to some extent Greece and other those sort of kingdoms. So our exchange was broadly towards that, not towards east of those side, मतलब China. तो हम लोग नहीं समझते हैं by and large, if you see. Because of the geography, our cultural understanding is not adequate. Our cultural exchange is not adequate. People to people connection is not adequate. Hence, we don't see them in the same light as we see to other people, for instance, Middle East. For instance, our other neighbors. Okay, because there we had direct influence, direct cultural exchange. They understand us, we understand them. Okay, but here we do not understand. Historically as well, this boundary acted as a barrier where we cannot establish a very fruitful and enduring relationship. ठीक है, चलो इतना हम समझ गए, geography and culture. Now let's come back to this point.